Confusion around AI is expensive. Companies waste money on the wrong tools. Teams spend time on problems that don't exist. Individuals miss opportunities because they misunderstand what AI actually does. Most of this comes from five common misconceptions. So, this video addresses all five. Misconception number one: AI does not think, it predicts. Here's what that means. An AI language model has seen billions of text examples. When you give it a prompt, it calculates which words are most likely to come next based on those examples. It's pattern matching at massive scale. This is why AI can sound convincing but completely wrong. The system is optimized for the likely answers, not correct answers. This matters for how you use it. AI is excellent at tasks where prediction works, writing first drafts, generating variations, completing patterns. It struggles with tasks that require understanding context you haven't explicitly provided. If you treat AI like it thinks, you'll expect things it cannot deliver. If you treat it like a prediction engine, you'll use it correctly. Misconception number two: more data doesn't equal better results. There's a belief that feeding AI more information automatically improves output. This is wrong. AI systems have two problems with excess data. First, they lose focus. Give a language model 100 pages of background information and a simple question. It will often miss the answer because it's processing too much noise. Second, they don't prioritize. Humans know which details matter. AI treats everything equally unless you tell it otherwise. Better results come from better data, not more data. This means relevant examples, clear context, explicit priorities. 10 well chosen sentences will outperform 100 unfocused paragraphs. The skill is editing what you give the system, not maximizing volume. Misconception 3: prompt engineering is just clear communication. Prompt engineering sounds technical. It's not. It's the same skill you use when delegating to a colleague. Be specific, provide context, explain what good looks like. The difference is that AI has no shared understanding with you. It doesn't know your industry. It doesn't remember your last conversation unless you include it. It doesn't infer what you mean. This makes clarity more important, not more complicated. Instead of asking for a marketing email, you specify the audience, the goal, the tone, and the length. Instead of requesting a summary, you define what information to include and what to leave out. The people who get good results with AI are the people who communicate clearly. That's the entire skill. Misconception 4: AI replaces repetition, not judgment. The fear that AI will replace human decision making. The reality is different. AI is effective at repetitive tasks that follow clear patterns: drafting similar emails, formatting data, generating variations of the same structure, summarizing according to inconsistent rules. It is ineffective at judgment calls that require context, experience, or nuance. Can AI help a lawyer draft a standard contract clause? Yes. Can it determine legal strategy for a complex case? No. Can AI generate social media post variations? Yes. Can it decide which message will resonate with your specific audience right now? No. The pattern is consistent. AI handles repetition, humans handle judgment. If your work is mostly repetitive, AI will change how you work. If your work requires ongoing judgment, AI becomes a tool that speeds up the repetitive parts. This is not a threat assessment, it's a functional description. Misconception number 5: process is the real bottleneck. Many people adopt AI and see minimal improvement. The assumption is that the AI isn't good enough. Usually, the problem is the process. AI accelerates what you're already doing. If you process something inefficiently, just like anything else, AI makes you inefficiently faster. If your process is unclear, AI amplifies the confusion. Example: a team uses AI to generate content faster, but they still have a slow approval process, unclear guidelines, and poor distribution. The bottleneck isn't content creation, it's everything else. AI exposes process problems. Before adding AI to a workflow, clarify the workflow. Define inputs, define outputs, remove unnecessary steps. Then apply AI to the parts that are repetitive. The technology is not the constraint. The way you work is. 5 misconceptions. AI predicts, it doesn't think. Better data beats more data. Prompt engineering is clear communication. AI replaces repetition, not judgment. Process is the real bottleneck. Understanding these changes how you use AI. You'll make better decisions about when to use it and when not to. You'll get better results from the tools you choose. You'll waste less time on approaches that just don't work. That's the video. Subscribe if this was useful.